So guys, I discovered a platform you can make up to $30 and above just by training AI. Just as you can see on my screen, this is the platform. Yes, you can make up to $30 above, $60, $90 and above just by training AI. When I first of all came across this platform, I doubted it. I was thinking it was not true because I've come across a lot of platforms like this, and at the end, after doing their work, this started giving me issue of you are in Nigeria, you can't accept, you can't do it. And others, their payment was very low. But you can see this one is very high. I even have to go to Google to do a research about it. When I click on Google, I ask Google, is Mindrift legit? Because Mindrift is the name of the platform. And Google told me, yes, Mindrift is a legit platform where freelance experts like writers, editors, and domain specialists get paid to train artificial intelligence. This to show you that even Google recognizes this platform as a legit platform. But this platform has some downside when it comes to applying, because you have to apply and you have to wait for some days before they will accept you. And most people get rejected easily because they don't meet up to the standards that they are looking for. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can apply the right way so that you won't be rejected. So if you watch to the very end, you are going to get the full details of how to apply. So make sure you watch the video to the very end. So if you go to your Google or whatever, your Google browser or your Chrome browser, whatever browser you're using, just go there and search for Mindrift. Yes, Mindrift. You can see here. This is a platform, Mindrift. This is the platform we have been using to make this money. So once you get to the platform, just come to this place over here that says apply. Once you click on it, look at everything. Look at the jobs available here. You can see biology expert with Python, brand designer, freelance visual specialist, chemistry expert with Python, someone that have knowledge about chemistry with Python, someone that have knowledge on civil engineering with Python, yeah, an English writer, you know how to where you can apply here. You can much per hour. Senior software engineer, you can apply here. They are paying up to $60 per hour. Graphic designer, freelance visual designer, you can apply here $50. You can see it here. So there are a lot of projects here that you can apply for, a lot of gigs here you can apply for. Just as you can see here, these projects are live. Yes, these projects are live, which means they are currently available. All what you have to do is to help them train their AI. Remember, you're helping them train their AI. This is the work you'll be doing here. So in the course of this video, I'll be applying as graphic designer, stroke freelance visual designer. Since I'm a graphic designer, I can easily apply for this. So just click on apply. Look at here, this description. Mindrift is looking for a versatile, highly skilled graphic designer to join the TED project, blah, 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 blah. See, make sure you read everything from beginning to the end. Me, I've already read it before, so that is why I'm just skipping it. Because if I say I should read it from beginning to the end, this video will be too long. So let's just skip, I'll just be skipping it. But make sure once you're applying for any job you want to apply for, make sure you read it. So over here, I'll just click on apply for this job. And this is it here. So over here, I just want me to fill in my information. So here, I'll put my name. First of all, your first name, then your last name, which is your father name or your son name, as it's being called. Over here, your email. I do have my mail, I just paste it. Then over here, your phone number. Yes, just as you can see, you already have Nigeria as default. That's to show that they accept Nigerians. So I just put my phone number. Here, Nigeria, Lagos, can leave this. Here, over here, this is where you put your CV. So for you to be accepted to this platform, you need to have a well-prepared CV. So if you don't know anything about CV, go to the comment section and let me know so that I'll know if I'll make a video about it. You can either use ChatGPT or any other AI platform to create your CV, but there are standards. There's a way for you to create your CV that will make it look. So if you want me to create a CV, a video on how to create a CV for you, let me know in the comment section and I will be creating that video for you. I already have my CV here. My CV here. This is it. I already have it here. I just click on it, then click on open. Then just want to just scroll down. Then this one is optional cover letter. I'm applying for the role of which should I be applying for again? And call me. I think I have it here. Okay, graphic designer. So that just it. Then I'll click on submit. So right now I won't be clicking submit. Or should I click on submit? Because I already applied for a job before. Let me just click on submit. Yeah. So that you will see it. Just for it, once you click on submit, just wait for some time. Look at it. Thank you. Your application has been submitted successfully. A copy of your application will be sent to, you see, they'll send a copy of your application to your email so that you keep it for record in case they later message you. Yeah. So make sure once you see it, make sure you keep that email very safe. So this is just it how to apply. So after you have applied, you have to wait for them to now send you a message of interview where they'll ask you some questions and you answer those questions will determine if you get the job or not. So if you are answering those questions, make sure you answer those questions directly and simple because they'll be using AI to ask you those questions. Make sure you give them the right answer. If it's A, they are asking for, give them A. If it is B, give them B. Don't answer too much so that you will get the job. So this is just all about this video. Make sure you go and register right now. Make sure you register. Once you drop your phone, go and register right now so you'll be among the first people that will be registering. If you have any question at all, let me know in the comment section and I'll be ready to give you answer to all questions. My name is Sulu Wise and I'll be see you on the next one.